A very good morning to all my dear children. Once again, I welcome you all for the online session of English classes. My dear children, in this video, we are going to continue the rest portion of this chapter. As we know that we are in chapter number 4 and the name of this chapter is Chotu Sees a Snakes. Okay, so before proceeding with those new paragraphs, let us revise once again what we had learned in our last class. Right? So dear children, let's continue. So as we came to know that Chotu is a very clever boy and his hobby is to read different types of books because from those books he wants to learn many new things. And by knowing this, Chotu's father purchased several kinds of new books for Chotu. So what happened next? So it's a Sunday morning, it's a holiday. Chotu and his father both sat together and they are looking at the picture book. And that picture book is all about snakes. Okay, in that book there are different information about snakes. So both of them means Chotu and his father, they both sat together and Chotu's father telling Chotu about different kinds of snakes. When they are looking at the picture book, Chotu's father said to Chotu that look at this, my son. This is King Cobra and it is very dangerous snake. And another snake is also there which is very poisonous, that is tiger snake. So Chotu asked by seeing all these pictures, by knowing about snakes, that Daddy, are all snakes poisonous? So what does Daddy replied? Daddy replied that no, most of the snakes are non-poisonous. Only few are poisonous. Okay, poisonous means they can harm you. If they bite, you might be in trouble. So Chotu said that, what's this, Daddy? So his father replied that this is python. This is a long and big snake. Another snake is also there in that picture book, that is anaconda. And you know, as I told you in our last class, anaconda is the longest snake in the world. So suddenly a question arose in the mind of Chotu that what does snake eat? If you are feeling hungry, you need to eat something. Okay, but when snakes feels hungry, what does they do? So let us see in today's class what does snakes do and what other activities and what type of characteristics do different snakes having. Okay, so let us read from this paragraph. Father, they eat rats, small animals, insects, frogs, and fish. Some snakes eat other small snakes. So, what does snakes eat? Snakes eat rats, small animals, insects, frogs, and fish. Not only that, some snakes eat other snakes also. Okay, so that's why they are strange creatures. Okay, Chotu, Daddy, do snakes have legs? Okay, another question again arose in the mind of Chotu. He asked his daddy that, Daddy, do snakes have legs? We are having two legs, isn't it? So we can walk with those legs. But how does snake walk? Do they have legs? Father, no, snakes do not have legs. They crawl on their bellies. And do you know they have no ears either? So what happened here? Chotu's father Chotu's father said that snakes do not have legs. As Chotu asked to his daddy that do snakes have legs? So Chotu's father said that snakes don't have legs. They only crawl on their bellies. Okay, with the help of their bellies, they able to crawl on the ground. As how the small babies used to crawl with the help of hands and legs. And do you know that Chotu's father said that they don't have ears either? Okay, so snakes don't have ears also, right? Chotu, I think snakes are strange creatures. Father, yes, they are wonderful and interesting creatures. Okay, Chotu, we shall look at the other pictures tomorrow. So what happened as they both are means father and his son. They are looking at the picture book. They are discussing about different types of snakes, about their specialty. Okay, so Chotu said that. So Chotu said to his father that I think daddy strange snakes are strange creatures. So father replied that yes, you are right. Snakes are wonderful and interesting creatures. Okay. So then what happened? Father said to Chotu that okay Chotu, we shall look at other pictures tomorrow. Right? So moving on to the next image. Now Chotu is thinking about snakes, snakes, and only snakes. That night, Chotu goes to his bedroom. He turns off the light. The room is dark. After reading that book, that picture book about snakes, after closing that book, when he went to his room to sleep, now Chotu is thinking in the mind of Chotu, there is only image about snakes, snakes, and only snakes. Okay, so when Chotu goes to his bedroom to sleep, he turns off the light, and what happened? The room is dark. The room became dark. Okay, soon he falls asleep. It is midnight. A cold wind is blowing. Chotu is feeling cold. He tosses and turns in his bed. He gets up and goes to the window. He wants to close it. But what does he see? So, what happened? After a while, he slept. Okay, and it is midnight. There's a window in front of his bed, and from that window, a cold wind is blowing. Okay, so Chotu felt very cold and he turns from this side to that side in his bed. Suddenly, he gets up from the sleep and he woke up and went to close the window. But on the window, what does he see? A snake on the window. Chotu screams and cries, Mummy, Daddy, there is a snake here. So, what does he see on the window? He saw a snake. By seeing that snake, Chotu loudly shouted. Okay, screams means shouting loudly. He screams, and not only that, he cried a lot. And he shouting and telling that Mummy, Daddy, there's a snake here on the window. So what happened? Now Mummy and Daddy are in Chotu's bedroom. So their parents came into Chotu's room. There's a snake over there, Chotu says, pointing to the window. When he woke up and went to close that window, he saw there's a snake. So, by shouting, his parents came inside his bedroom and they asked what happened. So Chotu said to his parents that look, there's a snake over here on the window. By pointing towards the window, he showed to his parents. Okay. Papa brings his torchlight. What does he see on the window? A long rope. It stays not a snake. So suddenly the room is dark. What happened? His father went and brought a torchlight. When he put on the torch, he saw what is there on the window. There is not a snake. There is a long rope. Okay, so Chotu thought that that was a snake. It's a rope, Daddy says. Now go to sleep, dear, and be a brave boy, Mummy says. So, what happened after put on the light of the torch? They saw there is not a snake, there is only a rope lying on the window. So, Chotu's father said that go now, you can able to see that it is not a snake, it's a rope. Now you can go and you can sleep. And Chotu's mother said that Chotu, be a brave boy. Okay, don't get fear, be a brave boy. Right? So, dear children, let us revise this paragraph once again. Father, they eat rats, small animals, insects, frogs, and fish. Some snakes eat other small snakes. Chotu, Daddy, do snakes have legs? Father, no, snakes do not have legs. They crawl on their bellies. And do you know, they have no ears either. So what happened here? As Chotu asked that what do snakes eat? Father said that snakes eat rats, small animals, fish, frogs, and insects. And not only that, snakes eat other small snakes also. So once again, Chotu asked to his father that, Daddy, do snakes have legs? Father said that no, snakes don't have any legs. They only crawl with the help of their bellies. And you know one thing, snakes do not have ears either. Chotu, I think snakes are strange creatures. Father, yes, they are wonderful and interesting creatures. Okay, Chotu, we shall look at the other pictures tomorrow. So, by telling all these things, Chotu and his father, they both went to sleep. Okay, so as Chotu told to his father that, Daddy, I think snake is a strange creature. So his father said that, yes, my dear child, they are wonderful and interesting creatures. So after that, Chotu's father said that, okay, Chotu, we will look after these picture books tomorrow. Now you have to go to sleep. Now Chotu is thinking about snakes, snakes, and only snakes. That night, Chotu goes to his bedroom. He turns off the light. The room is dark. Okay, so after reading that picture book, in the mind of Chotu is only about snakes. Now he went to his room, he switched off the light, and the room became dark. Soon he falls asleep. It is midnight. A cold wind is blowing. Chotu is feeling cold. He tosses and turns in his bed. He gets up and goes to the window. He wants to close it. But what does he see? So, what happened? It's midnight and Chotu is sleeping quietly. But suddenly there's a window in front of his bed. From that window, a cold wind is blowing. So, Chotu is feeling cold now and he turns this side to that side. He tosses and turns in his bed. He can't able to sleep, so he gets up and he went to close the window. But on the window, what does he see? A snake on the window? Chotu screams and cries, Mummy, Daddy, there is a snake. He saw a snake on the window. As the room is dark, he thought that there is a snake on the window. So he shouted loudly and he cries also and said, Mummy, Daddy, there is a snake. Now Mummy and Daddy are in Chotu's bedroom. There's a snake over there, Chotu says, pointing to the window. So after hearing a loud sound from Chotu's room, Chotu's parents came inside Chotu's room and they asked Chotu what happened. So Chotu said to his parents that, Mummy, Daddy, see there is a snake over there, by pointing out towards the window. So what happened here? Papa brings his torchlight. What does he see on the window? A long rope. It is not a snake. It's a long rope. Daddy says, now go to sleep, dear, and be a brave boy. Mummy says. So after hearing this, that there's a snake on the window, though the room is very dark, Chotu's father went and brought a torchlight. When he switched on the torchlight and saw that there's a long rope on the window, not a snake. So he told Chotu that, see, there's not a snake, there is only a rope on the window. So Chotu's father said to Chotu that now you can able to sleep quietly, and his mummy said that, Chotu, be a brave boy. Okay, so dear children, this chapter ends over here. Let us see some of the new words related with this chapter. right? So these new words you have to remember, you have to learn by heart. Okay, so first one is clever, clever, clever. Eager, eager, eager. Picture, picture, picture. Different, different, different. Snakes, snakes, snakes. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Poisonous, poisonous, poisonous. Insects, insects, insects. Strange, strange, strange. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Creatures, creatures, creatures. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Window, window, window. Asleep, asleep, asleep. Midnight, midnight, midnight. Brave, brave, brave. Screams, screams, screams. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Torchlight, torchlight, torchlight. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Okay, so let us revise these new words once again. First one is clever, then eager, picture, different, snakes, dangerous, poisonous, insects, strange, crawl, creatures, interesting, window, asleep, midnight, brave, screams, bedroom, torchlight, and tomorrow. So, dear children, you have to remember these new words. Okay, so and you have to go through the whole video so that you can able to understand what is inside the story, and rest of the objective parts we will continue in our next video. Till then, be safe, stay at your home. Thank you.